Welcome to DIY with Michelle. Let's create this yarn wall hanging. Here are the supplies that you will need and the measurements. You may use nautical rope or jute cord from Dollar Tree. I chose to use a stick that I found in my backyard, but you may use a wooden dowel or whatever your choice may be. And choose the measurement size of your wooden dowel or stick. I chose about 28 to 29 inches. Let's start by tying a lark's head tie onto your wooden stick or dowel, bringing both ends together and tying the lark's head tie. Create a pattern of your choice and repeat it. This is the pattern that I chose using 3 of the teal yarns throughout. Using painter's tape, create a V on the wall or lay it on the table to cut. Cut your project in the V shape using the top line as your guide. This is the completed piece and I really enjoyed making this. I hope that you do too. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.